is Selena. I am going to review The Medieval Times of Kit Sweetly by Jamie Pacton. Kit Sweetly works as a serving wench at the Castle, a medieval-themed restaurant. Kit dreams of being a knight. The knights of the castle put on a show for the restaurant goers. Knights get to ride horses in an arena and battle with other knights. The problem is that it is company policy that only men are to be chosen as knights. Kit wants equality in the workplace. She wants her female coworkers to feel empowered and placed at the same level as her male coworkers. She goes against the wishes of her boss and company policy to make her dreams a reality, all while dealing with financial issues, family drama, prospects of a new romantic relationship, and arguments with her boss. The tone of this book is fun and spirited. It feels cheesy as they talk about the majestic qualities of a medieval world. There are so many pop culture references to Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings, and other fantasy genres. We get the sense that the characters are nerdy about fantasy and history. It feels very modern in the way that the characters use the internet as a tool to spread their beliefs and gain support. I love that this book was inclusive. It was sure to include characters of different nationalities, gender identities, and varied sexual orientations. I only wish that these characters had more depth and personality. The story is in Kit's point of view, so we read all of her thoughts, even the non-exciting ones. She seems to ramble and go off on tangents. The Medieval Times of Kit Sweetly provides lots of unnecessary details, such as what type of food she ate for breakfast. I felt that the storyline was choppy and felt unsure why some areas were even included. I listened to this book through the Hoopla app. It was easy to rewind and fast forward in moments where I was distracted. I enjoyed the time feature. The Hoopla app allows you to view how far you are in the book and how much time you have left, down to the seconds. The best part is that you can download the audiobook on your device and go for a walk or run errands while still absorbing the story and not using your device data. This book falls under the genres of contemporary fiction and romance. I would recommend this book to anyone who feels strongly about feminist beliefs. I rate this book a 2.5 out of 5 stars.